Good morning. We're here today at Frank's Pontiac Parts in 29 Palms, California to showcase this 1967 Firebird Body Shell on a pallet. Now, this body isn't a perfect body, and I don't know if you would put this back on the road, but it would be certainly good for body sections or parts. The title has been salvaged, so if you did want to put it back on the road, it would always be salvaged. We picked this up a few weeks back with a 69 Grand Prix. This body had been used for parts. It still had a Camaro trunk lid on it and some ratty bucket seats and a few items, but basically it was taken apart. There wasn't much. We didn't get a subframe. We didn't get, I think we got one door, actually two doors for the same side, but they'd used this for body sections. So, or at least a body section. They cut that part out to fix a Camaro years ago. But everything else on this is really, really good. And we weren't sure what to do with it. It does have some little indentations on the roof, both sides right here. But the top of the roof is nice. And it's really a pretty decent body. Kind of hard to find things in this condition. We were a bit surprised that it was as nice as it is, but didn't really know what to do with it. So we're putting it up for sale for basically as parts. If somebody wanted to buy this and maybe fix their body with it or somehow fix their car, I think that would be the best way. It's not going to be up for a whole lot of money. It'll be on our website, frankspontiacparts.com. And let me show you a little bit more about it a little closer. Again, it's dented both sides on the roof right here, so I don't know what's going on there. But dash is real good. They didn't cut the dash. The floors are kind of iffy. There was a spot there where your foot goes, and they had put a can over it. The shifter hole had been cut open. The floors, there's no holes really. I mean, maybe some minor ones, but it's basically just pitted real bad where water had sat. Now it has both traction bar mounts, which is really unusual. We didn't run the documents on this car, but you could figure that this was a high performance car. That's the only way it would have two traction bar mounts. Those are kind of rare. Again, it's a 67, not a 68. Good on the dash, nice cowl. This quarter panel is just beautiful. There is no filler inside when you look down into the quarter where the quarter window is either. But that quarter panel's perfect. Frame rails are perfect. No issues with the rockers. Back window, it's got rust in the where the channel is at the bottom, but not bad. Even the trunk floor is solid. Trunk floor is actually really nice in this car. Trunk lip's nice. Tail panel's decent. It's got some dents. It's like right here, right there where the license plate goes. They always seem to get popped there. I think the main reason that I just consider this parts is because they cut that quarter panel. All to fix a Camaro. Oh well. Anyway, there you go. 1967 Firebird Body Shell on a pallet, available at frankspontiacparts.com. Thank you.